Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off music on the Cookie Run Kingdom application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This is my Cookie Village and you can find different buttons on the home screen. Go to the three line at the upper right corner of the screen and you can find the last button, the settings. Go to the second section, the sound, and you can find the music. If you want to turn off, click to the off button, and if it will be turned green, this function will be enabled, so you just don't use music. And if it want to edit the volume of the music, just click to the square icon and pull on the line. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.